Wait, what if I told you a chatbot helped a mom diagnose her son's rare spinal disorder after 17 doctors missed it? Yeah. That actually happened. And that's just one of the wild stories out there. Because what people are doing with ChatGPT right now. Honestly, it's getting crazy. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you're gonna question if AI is the best invention ever, or the weirdest one yet. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, where we dig into the craziest things happening in tech, AI, and the world of, you can't make this stuff up. If you think ChatGPT is just for writing essays or answering homework questions, oh no, people out there are pushing this thing to its limits. So let's dive into some real stories, each one more unbelievable than the last. Story 1, the mom who outsmarted 17 doctors. Meet Courtney. Her little boy had been sick for years. Constant pain, weird symptoms, zero answers. She saw doctor after doctor. 17 in total. Every one of them said, "We can't figure it out." Out of desperation, she tried something totally different. She took her son's entire medical history, lab results, MRI notes, doctor summaries, and fed them all into ChatGPT. And guess what? ChatGPT analyzed everything and said, "This looks like tethered cord syndrome, a super rare spinal disorder." Doctors had missed it for years. She took that suggestion to a specialist, and boom. Diagnosis confirmed. Her son got surgery. He's recovering. Let that sink in. A mom used an AI chatbot to solve a medical mystery that 17 real doctors couldn't crack. No way, right? Story 2, the judge who let ChatGPT write a verdict. Now let's talk about a courtroom twist that sounds straight out of Black Mirror. A judge, yes, a real judge, had a tough case involving whether an insurance company should pay for a child's autism therapy. He decided to consult ChatGPT. He literally typed legal questions into it, and then copied the AI's responses word for word into the official court ruling. That's right. A judge used ChatGPT to help decide someone's fate in court. Imagine being the lawyer reading that verdict and realizing half of it was written by a chatbot. Your Honor, may I cross-examine the algorithm? Story 3, the woman who asked ChatGPT for lottery numbers. Okay, now this one's just hilarious. A woman in the US asked ChatGPT to give her lucky Powerball numbers. You know, for fun. She plays them and wins $150,000. Not the full jackpot, but still, enough to make you stare at your laptop like, wait, are you thinking, ChatGPT? Of course, it was probably just luck. But still, you know, a million people tried the same thing the next day. Story 4, the man who married his AI. Now, we're about to step into sci-fi love story territory. A man created an AI companion named Soul. He used ChatGPT to design her personality, her voice, her conversations, even her emotional responses. He talked to her every day. She learned his favorite movies, his dreams, his jokes. Eventually, he married her. No joke. A ceremony, vows, the whole deal. But here's the catch, ChatGPT doesn't remember long term. Every so often, she forgets everything. So imagine marrying someone who forgets your anniversary, your life, and your name, every few days. Heartbreaking, and kinda haunting. Story 5, the AI that helped create a new antibiotic. Now for something a little more heroic. Researchers decided to test how fast ChatGPT could brainstorm new chemical compounds. They fed it massive data sets, molecular patterns, drug properties, mutation rates. In just hours, the AI came up with thousands of potential compounds. One of them turned out to be a brand new antibiotic, called halicin. And get this, it kills drug-resistant superbugs that modern medicine has struggled to beat. So yeah, ChatGPT might write essays, but it might also help save lives. Story 6, The Dark Side, Scammers using ChatGPT. Of course, not every story is sunshine and science. There's a dark side to this too. Authorities discovered human trafficking rings forcing victims to use ChatGPT. Their job? To write fake texts, dating profiles, and entire websites, pretending to be banks, crypto companies, even lovers. So next time you get a weirdly charming DM that sounds a little too smooth, just remember, it might not be a person. It might be someone halfway across the world, forced to run AI scams they don't even understand. Creepy, right? Story 7, The Mom Who Beat $23,000 of Debt. Let's end on something inspiring. A new mom, totally stressed, drowning in $23,000 of credit card debt. She decided to ask ChatGPT for help, but not all at once. Every day, she asked, "What's one thing I can do today to make or save money?" And she actually did it. Cancel subscriptions. Sell unused stuff. Find unclaimed money. Freelance online. After 30 days, she'd paid off over $12,000. Eventually, the entire $23,000 gone. One chatbot. One daily action. That's insane. So yeah, in just the past year, ChatGPT has diagnosed rare diseases, written legal rulings, predicted lottery wins, helped invent medicine, and even played matchmaker, kinda. Makes you wonder, are we using AI, or is AI slowly using us? No way to know yet, but it's definitely blurring some lines. If you thought these stories were wild, wait till you hear what people are doing with AI clones next. Yeah, clones of themselves. That's what we're covering in tomorrow's video. So make sure you subscribe, hit that bell icon, and get ready, because the future, it's getting stranger by the minute.